Hello and welcome. Today I've got to show you this Hymer Exsis I motorhome. This is a used vehicle. It comes from 2017. It's got 65,500 it's going to cost. It's got 50,500 kilometers on the clock. We'll come back and have a look at that towards the end of the video. And so let's now have a look inside at this vehicle. It's got a color scheme which is certainly I would say indicative of when it was actually built. So and a layout at the back. Notice it comes with two ladders. I wonder what the reason for that could be. Well, probably getting bed at both ends. So we've got here this German layout at the back. We have got cabinets all the way around, except for where the windows are. Windows at each side, and there's a ledge above them. Under the bed, we will find that we have down here, we've got storage. There's your wardrobe. Note that this will also come up. Obviously, there's the stuff on top of it at the moment, so I'm not going to lift it up. And here at this side, we've also got storage as well. Now, newer models, they don't have so much storage on this side. So I think that is an improvement on the, or not, what's that? No, I think that's better than the newer ones anyway. Also down there, I think this is meant to be a place where you put your dirty clothes. That's what I've always considered it to be. Maybe it isn't. Up here, I'll show you inside the what that looks like. Also blackout blind here, and on this side we've also got a wardrobe with some shelves in the bottom. Now, washroom here. So two drainage points either side. We've got this very handy unit here. Although I think this was probably put in by the owner. I don't think that came in the original. I do have film of this actually with the vehicle when it was actually maybe not this particular one, but this model. I've got video of it. And so the washroom is though quite large. I'm not even standing in the shower, and I've got my shoes on, and see still plenty of space above my head. So it's got a double floor, and demonstrate the double floor here. There you go. And here's the place where you will dump your water, so you can actually dump it from outside. And in the case of my vehicle, which is of course a lot older than this one, I have to walk out and open it from the rear. I'll close this door. Right, here we have a fridge and the freezer, and more storage above. And here, there we go, sink, 3 burners, and of course kitchen block. We've got storage. Note that Hymer was then using proper walls on these things, nicely divided too. And yeah, I'll open the bottom one. I'm just myself, I'm now curious. See this one as well. That's your your instructions up there. The white thing and the blue thing. Right here, large table, and with L-shaped seating group. Obviously that pit bar to there will come out, and that'll for when somebody's sitting here, they've got somewhere to put their legs if the vehicle's moving. Storage up here. Up here we've got another bed, and that'll release that. Oh, actually, I'll just leave. You can see how big the bed is from there, and integrated Fiat Ducato. Nice looking view in my opinion. So door here with a window, kitchen extension down here, and I'll now come out. Enormous garage here, and this garage will take 350 kilos of a payload inside. Also places for storage up there. This, I think the garage is one of the main features of this motorhome, which I'll point out they have actually managed to keep as well. So you got bike rack on the back, right here we've got the gas cupboard. In newer models it's actually not here. 2 gas cylinders with the crash sensor on there as well. So I'll have a look at some of the details on it. So there you go. So the vehicle itself, 7 meters long, 222 wide, height of 278, inner height, standing height 198. Right, gross vehicle weight's 4,500, giving around approximately 1,400 kilos of payload. I can't quite remember off the top of my head what the empty weight is of the vehicle. You've got all of this extra kit inside it, and so I won't read the whole thing out right now, but if you're interested, there's a link. The information which is given here is there as well. And right, good. So I tried to do this in around 8 minutes, which I think I've been successful in doing. So thanks very much for watching. If you're interested, as I said, there's a link below. I'm trying to show you used vehicles as well. I always say to people, don't buy new, get a used one. And you get something like this, it's been properly looked after. It clearly it's in good condition. Nothing with used vehicles is they often have the extra bits of kit as well, so as this one here appears to have. So thanks for watching, hope you found that interesting. Consult the links, and bye for now.